You already know the basics. Change your pads, wash properly, drink water. But today I'm teaching you the less obvious habits, like underrated habits that makes a huge difference in how you feel, smell, and heal during your period. Tip number one is for you to start preparing your body 3 days before your period. Most women only start paying attention to their periods when the flow begins, which is very, very wrong. But do you know that your body actually starts building up inflammation and hormonal changes like days before your period? Yes. Here are a few things you should do to make your period cleaner and smoother. If you're the type that doesn't drink enough water, you need to start drinking water, enough water. Like you see all those 8 liter, abi 3 liter water rule, you need to start taking it 3 days before your period. Trust me, it's always a game changer. A lot of you come complaining, oh, I'm having stomach ache, I'm having cramps, I'm having this, I'm having that. Sometimes you don't prepare yourself before your period starts. Drink enough water 3 days before your period starts. Always drink enough water. You need to also reduce salty foods. Any food that has too much salt, even your snacks, some snacks contains high level of salt. You need to reduce your salt intake before your period starts, because trust me, salt actually causes bloating and odor during your period, and you don't want that for yourself. A lot of women experience bloating during their periods, which is not good at all. You need to at least reduce your intake of salty foods. Another thing you need to do is to take vitamin C or lemon water daily. This actually helps to detox your body, preparing it for your period day. See this pre-period routine, it can actually help to reduce cramp, odor, and even heaviness of your flow. It's always a game changer. Tip number two is for you to avoid using hot water directly on your down there. I know you love to take hot baths during your period. For your mind, you'll be thinking it helps with cramps. Let me tell you one thing you don't know. Hot water can actually increase blood flow and swelling. And I know you don't want that for yourself, right? And this can actually make cramps worse for some people and can even cause irritation if you already have a sensitive skin. You see, it will alter your skin barrier. It is not good to use hot water directly on your down there. It is a no-no, please. Instead of you to use hot water, try to use warm water. For me, I love to use warm water. Wash down there. But if you want to use hot water, use hot water in a hot water bottle. Get a hot water bottle, get a bottle to put your hot water. Then you use it on your lower abdomen. Okay, this is what is going to help in cramps. It's not for you to soak yourself in hot water or to use hot water to bathe, to wash down there. The next tip is for you to always change your soap after your period. Love to use your regular soap to wash down there, which I find it very awkward. Like, I don't know why you're using your regular soap to wash there. It is not good at all because your VJ pH changes slightly because of blood. If you're always using your regular soap, it might actually cause irritation, which you don't want. So instead of you to use that, switch to a pH mild feminine wash to wash down there. This is going to help to keep your skin from drying out and also going to help to prevent irritation. Next tip is for you to try and sleep on breathable bed sheets. When you sleep on synthetic bed sheets or thick nylon spreads, body will kind of heat up and it can actually make you sweat down there and actually cause odor and bacterial growth, which you don't want. That is why it's good to use cotton bed sheets. Cotton bed sheets are your holy grail during this time. Okay. The next tip is for you to never ever mix your period underwear with your regular laundry. Oh my goodness, this one is so disgusting. Like, why would you do such a thing? Bacteria can spread and remain trapped in your fabric when you wash your period underwear with your regular laundry. It can even infuse odor. Oh my god. I've actually done this in my teenage years. Oh my goodness. Most times I'll just put everything together and wash it. When my clothes are dry, I'll be perceiving one kind funky odor, funky smell like that. Please, it is not good at all. Sometimes it will change. Your clothes will be smelling awkward, which you don't want. Never mix your period underwear with your regular underwear. Your period underwear is best to wash them in warm water with mild detergent. Wash them with warm water with mild detergent or soap. That way it will kill germs. Sometimes I go extra miles of putting disinfectant into the water before rinsing it. Like, I'll just leave it for like 5 minutes before rinsing it and spraying it outside. The next tip is for you to try and switch pads at the right time. Don't always wait until your pad is fully soaked before you switch, before you change. Oh my god, why? Sometimes you end up getting stained. Sometimes you end up getting embarrassed, which is not what you want, especially if you are in public. Please always try to change your pads at the right time. And what do I mean by changing your pads at the right time? For me, I do every 4 hours. Some people do, if you are the type that always experience heavy flow, you should do it every 2 hours. Okay. First and second day of my period is heavy flow, so I love to change it every 2 hours. But after first and second day, the third day and the fourth day is not that heavy flow, so I do 4 hours. Try and monitor your period and know if you have heavy flow or normal flow, then you know how to change your pads. But 4 hours for normal flow, 2 hours for heavy flow. Next tip is for you to switch to a dark color underwear or even your normal clothes when you put on to go out or stay at home. Please let it be dark colored. Oh my god, this is an underrated tip. Do you know how many times I've been embarrassed? Especially on days I think that my period will not really come out much. That is even the most days that I'll be embarrassed. Like it had happened to me twice. On my way coming back from the market, I was tanned, I was sore, and I was putting on very light colored blue jeans. Oh my god. I was in the bus on my way coming back from the market. Hey, immediately I came down from the bus. My jeans were soaked. And funny enough, it was even on the fourth day. What happened? I did not put my pad properly. Just that it's not as if I had heavy flow. My period was almost finished, but I did not put my pad properly. That's another underrated tip. Please always put your pads properly. Make sure that you put your pads on your underwear properly before you put on your clothes. And with that, I was soaked, I was stained. Please, had it been I was putting on black, it will not show. If I was putting on that colored outfit, that colored jean, it will not show. Highest thing, it will stain on the car seat, on the bus seat, but it will not show on me. I will still manage and get home. I had to book a ride from there instantly to my house. I could not move. I could not move. I had to stand there, book a ride, and instantly to my house, straight to my house. So you don't want that kind of embarrassment for yourself. So it's best to use on dark underwear or dark clothes. Put on dark clothes during your period. The reason why I say dark underwear is it actually makes you not to really notice the stain, and it will reduce the temptation of you overwashing it or bleaching your underwear. Okay, trust me, it's a must. This is an underrated habit that needs to be talked about every time. Last but definitely not the least tip is for you to try and track your period with your discharge, not just by using an app. Yes, it's good to use app. For me, I use the Flow app. It's very good. I've been using it for years now. But sometimes there are some physical signs that I see on my body shows that okay, period is coming in the next 2 days, in the next 3 days, a day or so. Even during ovulation, if I'm ovulating, I know when I'm ovulating. I know the signs, I know what I experience when I'm ovulating. So these signs, these little signs, you need to pay attention to them. It's actually going to help you know when you are ovulating or when you are seeing your period or when your period is about to come out. It's always very good to know these physical changes in your body. Everybody's body is not the same. Your body and my body is not the same thing. The signs I see might not be the signs you see. You might see multiple signs. For me, I might see just one or two signs. It is not the same. So you need to cool down and understand your body, check your body, just monitor your system, monitor your body, sometimes bloating, sometimes your discharge, the change of your discharge, is very important. This is an underrated tip. It will help you to know what is. That is it for this video. Let me know if you learned a thing or two. And if you have more tips, please drop it in the comment section. We are here to learn together. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Why have you not subscribed to my channel? Please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on all my amazing videos. Like this video, watch other of my videos, which I'm going to leave some links in the description box. Please go watch some videos and thank me later. And I'll see you and I see you. For now, bye.